Hi, I'm Stuart. I'm introducing the AV Table Box by Legrand Company. Now, you ever wish you had in your table, like outlets and USB plugs right on your conference table so you can hook up your laptop and other things, other devices at your convenience? They do have some that are built into tables. But what if you wanted something better that also had HDMI, power, all kinds of jacks are customizable the way you want it? Now you can. So we're going to show you today this box by Legrand that has all those features, a nice flip top cover. And inside you'll see all the different jacks that we have lined up here, which I'll put a little video on the side here so you can see it. We'll put up a blow up on the side here so you can see it. So all these jacks makes it so convenient in any conference room table to plug in your laptops, almost anything that you need. So this whole thing gets cut into the tabletop. So it comes with a template. You cut the hole, put it in, a couple bolts on the bottom, which we'll be showing you in a few minutes. And then you wire it up to whatever computers you have to. But the install on the table is pretty straightforward. Like I said, making a hole and then bolting it into the table, giving you all this convenience of these jacks once you wire them into the rest of your system. So this is one part of a larger system for your conferencing room. So this is the in-table AV connection box by Legrand, which also has accessories like retractable cable pulls. So this one's an HDMI. Actually, in this build, we're going to have two HDMI retractable cords. You pull it to a distance, it'll stop. So, and then when you pull it again, it'll retract back in. So that's going to be convenient on the table. So you can bring your cable out all the way to your laptop and then have it stay, which it is now, right? And then when you're done, oh, you might have to pull it a little bit. And when you're done, pull it back in. So that's a retractable HDMI accessory for your AV table connection box. So we're going to see that all put in place. We will demonstrate that connected to the box. So like I said before, the box has a stylish cover. Looks really handsome once it's installed. Underneath here we have another retractable cable box, which will be installed in a few minutes. So stick around and watch us install the AV table box by Legrand. Okay, now we're going to be doing the installation. It'll probably be in time-lapse. So stick around and enjoy it. I'll be narrating on the way, just in case. Okay, so first we got our template applied on the side here. We taped it down, and we'll be cutting the corner holes first, and then we're going to be doing the straight cuts to cut out the bulk of the wood. So no rush, take your time. And I'm going to switch out the bit to a larger size bit, the final size. Get it in the drill straight. Now we'll switch to the different tool, a vibrating oscillating tool. Let's blow out some of this dirt. Get it out of the way so I can see the cut lines. Now, I think I'm going to have to get my headlamp for this. Ta-da! Now we'll see how this thing fits, if I gotta do some recuts or not. Nope. Even though I cut slightly on an angle. But this thing's gonna be sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah, so it fits in just like that. The install went really well for this AV table box. I'm really enjoying how it looks. It's really gorgeous. As you can see, the nice bezel. It's all cleaned up, dust free. Keeps the cables protected. You got the cable pulls inside. We have one already out going to the laptop here. And that's so convenient. Nothing beats having one of these connection boxes in your table. As you can see, when you're done, you just pull on the cable and then it goes right back into the box. You can close the cover, take away your laptop, and everything is good to go, nice and clean. And that concludes our installation of the AV table box.